Tired of tangled wires and limited connectivity? Let's dive right in and learn how to install or update those Bluetooth drivers on your Windows 10 machine, opening up a world of wireless possibilities. First, click on the search bar, usually found at the bottom left, and type Device Manager. Once the Device Manager pops up in the search results, click to open it now. Look for a section labeled Bluetooth and expand it by clicking on the arrow or double-clicking the option. You'll likely see your Bluetooth adapter listed, maybe along with any devices you've already connected. Right-click on your Bluetooth adapter. It might say something like Bluetooth device or the name of your specific adapter. A menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option that says Update Driver. This will begin the driver update process. Windows will now ask how you want to search for the driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then search your system and online for the latest and greatest Bluetooth drivers. It might take a moment, depending on your internet speed and the state of your current drivers. Once the process is complete, you'll either get a message that the best drivers are already installed, or that new drivers have been successfully installed and the Bluetooth adapter has been updated. If new drivers were installed, you might be prompted to restart your computer. Be sure to do so if no existing Bluetooth adapter is currently installed, then repeat the steps to install the existing drivers. With your updated Bluetooth drivers, you can now enjoy wireless connectivity. Easily connect headphones, speakers, keyboards. The possibilities are endless, and that's how you configure Bluetooth drivers in Windows 10. Like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.